You must do it every day.
How long we have to tap?
Sir, इतना है. The rule is 9 is a very spiritual number. Even in our mythology, even in the Chinese acupressure, इसलिए 9 points है. I would say you can go 9 taps, but कोई गिन नहीं पाता taps. मैं तो नहीं गिन पाता. So what I do is I do a cycle of 9.
And how many times in a day?
Okay, this is on you. सबसे पहले तो when should you do it? The best time to do it is Amrit-Vela. Can somebody tell me Amrit-Vela कितने बजे होता है? That's a big question. That's a big question. There are many concepts on what time Amrit-Vela starts. ਸਾਡੇ Guru Sahib in one of the Bani says, when you are connected to him, it is Amrit-Vela.
Yeah.
When you are away from him, Kal-Yug chal.
Yeah.
So let's not get stuck on time. Let's get caught on the concept. Amrit-Vela Satnam Vadiyai Vichar. Amrit-Vela means I was sleeping. I was in Nindra. This world was not there. When I get up, the world comes into existence and I get involved in the affairs of the world. The period between this, निंद्रा खत्म हो गई और मैं अभी तक वर्ल्ड में पूरी तरह नहीं घुसा, is Amrit-Vela. It is a time when alpha waves or something, one of the teachers said in one of the lectures, I've forgotten, the brain is in those waves. Best time for the subconscious to be treated. Best time for any message to be shifted. That's why Guru Sahib says in Bani also, Amrit-Vela Satnam.
Yeah.
Contemplate on that one at that time. You've not yet got involved with the world. You've just come out of Nidra. This is Amrit-Vela. Right? Best time to do. हम क्या करते हैं Amrit-Vela? पहले मोबाइल उठा के चेक करते हैं लेटेस्ट मैसेज क्या आया है, कितने क्या है. Please do not do that. You are wasting the most precious time of your life. What I do is, when I get up in the morning, lying in the bed only, the first thing I do is, कितनी देर लगती है? कुछ टाइम नहीं लगता. Right? And then let us say in the middle of this, I know today I have to come and give a lecture here. So I have a goal, a target. Let this be a wonderful
sequence भी है कि जेड़ा मर्जी पहला कर लो.
Sir, देखो वैसे था the thumb rule says habit अगर बनानी है ना, you must follow a sequence. और पता है क्या होता है? इथे, you come here, you come here, you come here, you come here. It goes in a very smooth flow. है ना? वो एक flow में चला जाता है, and that is the best time to work. So this is one I do early morning. I try to do it 9 times, but I never have count. No, I'm sure you people will also not have. जब तक दिल करता है करो, जब ठीक लगता है रुक जाओ. Doesn't matter. One I do just before going to sleep. That's again an Amrit-Vela. You've just left the world and you've not gone into Nidra. So again your mind is in a little relaxed form. And तीसरा, do it when stress has caught you and you've just stepped out. तब तो कर ही लो ना. It'll help you fight off whatever is the problem.